Hello students, good morning to all of you. In last lecture, we studied various preparation methods of carboxylic acid. Then we just start to learn physical states and boiling points of aldehydes and ketones. In yesterday's lecture, we studied the physical state of aldehydes and ketones. So today we are going to study the next physical property of aldehyde and ketone, and that physical property is boiling point. So let's study boiling points of aldehydes and ketones. So boiling point of aldehydes and ketones. Boiling point of aldehydes and ketones, it increases with increase in molecular mass. Boiling point increases with increase in molecular mass. So their boiling point, it is higher than hydrocarbons and ethers of comparable mass due to presence of dipole-dipole interaction in aldehydes and ketones. So boiling point of aldehydes and ketones, it is higher than corresponding hydrocarbons and ethers, and the reason behind it is there is a presence of dipole-dipole interaction. Dipole-dipole interaction. Dipole-dipole interaction in aldehydes and ketones, because the carbonyl group present in aldehyde and ketone, it is a polar group, but their boiling point, it is lower than corresponding alcohols due to absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Boiling point of aldehydes and ketones, it is lower than corresponding alcohol, and the reason behind it is there is absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present in alcohol, and such type of bonding is absent in aldehydes and ketones. Therefore, their boiling points are lower than corresponding alcohols. Then we are going to study the next physical property, and that property is solubility of aldehydes and ketones. So aldehydes and ketones contains carbonyl group. So carbonyl group, it is C double bond O. This is the carbonyl group. So this oxygen atom of this carbonyl group, it can involve in hydrogen bonding with water molecule. So when water molecule comes in contact with aldehydes and ketones, this oxygen atom, it can involve in hydrogen bonding. It is represented by dotted lines. So this oxygen atom, it involved in hydrogen bonding with water molecule. So thus hydrogen bonding in carbonyl compound and water, it is formed, and due to formation of such type of hydrogen bonding, lower aldehydes and ketones, they are water soluble. But solubility decreases with increase in molecular mass, because proportion of hydrocarbon increases with increase in the molecular mass and which cannot form hydrogen bond. That's why solubility decreases with increase in the molecular mass. So remember that lower aldehydes and ketones are water soluble because hydrogen bonding is formed between carbonyl compound and water molecule, but as molecular mass increases hydrophobic part increases, and that's why higher aldehydes and ketones their solubility in water is less. Then the next physical property is physical state, boiling point and solubility of carboxylic acids. So lower aliphatic carboxylic acid, lower aliphatic carboxylic acid, that means which contains up to 9 carbon atoms, they are colorless liquids. They are colorless liquids and they having irritating odor. They having irritating odor or pungent odor. So lower aliphatic carboxylic acid, which contains up to 9 carbon atoms, they are colorless liquid and having the irritating odor. While higher members, they are colorless. Higher members, they are colorless. They are odorless. They are odorless and they are wax-like solids. They are wax-like solids having low volatility. So let's study the boiling point of carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acids have higher boiling point than corresponding alkenes, than aldehydes, then ketones, ethers, etc. So carboxylic acids have higher boiling point than corresponding alkanes, aldehydes, ketones, ethers and alcohols. So this is because in liquid phase, in liquid phase, carboxylic acid forms dimer. Carboxylic acid forms dimer. So carboxylic acid forms dimer in which two molecules are held by two hydrogen bonds. See this formulation. So this is RC double bond OH. This is one molecule of carboxylic acid and this is another molecule of carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acids having higher boiling point than corresponding alkanes, aldehydes, ketones, ethers and corresponding alcohols. This is because in liquid phase, carboxylic acid they can form dimer. So carboxylic acid they can form dimer in which two molecules are held by two hydrogen bond. This is first hydrogen bond and this is second hydrogen bond. That's why carboxylic acid is having a higher boiling point. Then lower aliphatic carboxylic acids containing up to 4 carbon atoms, they are miscible with water. And this is due to formation of hydrogen bond with water. So lower carboxylic acid, that means which contains up to 4 carbon atoms, they are miscible in water or miscible with water due to the formation of hydrogen bond with water. So lower carboxylic acid, this is first carboxylic acid molecule, this is another molecule of carboxylic acid. So lower carboxylic acid, they can form hydrogen bond with water, that's why they are water soluble. While higher carboxylic acids are insoluble in water. Higher carboxylic acids are insoluble in water due to increased hydrophobic, that is water hating part. So higher carboxylic acids are insoluble in water due to increased hydrophobic part, that is hydrocarbon part or water hating part. That's why they are insoluble in water. On the other hand, aromatic carboxylic acids are also insoluble in water. So higher carboxylic acids are insoluble in water because hydrophobic part or water heating part gets increases. That's why higher carboxylic acids are insoluble in water, while aromatic carboxylic acids are also insoluble in water at room temperature. But carboxylic acids are soluble in less polar organic solvents like ether, alcohol, benzene, etc. Higher carboxylic acids, they are generally insoluble in water, but they are soluble in less polar organic solvent, for example, ether, alcohol, benzene, etc. Then the next article is polarity of carbonyl group. So polarity of carbonyl group, it originates from higher electronegative oxygen which is attached to the carbon, and as well as due to the resonance effect. I am going to repeat again. Polarity of carbonyl group, it originates from higher electronegative oxygen which is attached to carbon as well as resonance effect. So carbonyl group, it is represented as like this, C double bond O. So here this oxygen, it is more electronegative. This oxygen, it is more electronegative. Therefore, it attracts shear pair of electron towards itself. That's why this carbonyl carbon, it having a small positive charge, and this oxygen, it having a small negative charge. Thus, this carbonyl group is polar group. So, various forms of carbonyl group, it is represented as like this. Carbonyl group, it may present in this form, or it is also present in another form. So if shared pair of electron, it is gets transferred towards this oxygen, then this oxygen, it having extra lone pair of electron, that's why it is negatively charged, and here this double bond, it is partially represented here, and this carbon, it having a delta positive charge. So this is the major form and this is the minor form. Let's represent this as structure A, this as structure B, and this as a structure C. So resonance hybrid of carbonyl group, it is represented in this way. So this carbon having a delta positive charge, and here in between carbon and oxygen there is a partial double bond character represented by dotted line, and here this oxygen it having a small negative charge. So this is the resonance hybrid structure of carbonyl group. It is represented by the symbol D here. So the carbonyl carbon has positive polarity. This carbonyl carbon having a positive polarity. Therefore, it is electron deficient species. As a result of this, carbon is electrophilic, that is electron deficient, and is susceptible to attack by nucleophile. Nucleophile, it is the electron rich species. So this carbonyl carbon, it is electron deficient species. So this carbonyl carbon, it is electrophilic and it is susceptible to attack by the nucleophile. So here we completed about the polarity of carbonyl group. So in today's lecture we studied physical properties like boiling points of aldehydes and ketones, then solubility of aldehydes and ketones, then physical state, boiling points, and solubility of carboxylic acid. So we will stop here. Thank you.